a little olive oil. I like using induction stove, although I have the real stove here. And I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna show you the difference between using induction stove over a regular electric stove. I'm gonna caramelize this garlic. It's getting brown. Now, I'm gonna saute first the tomatoes. I always saute the tomatoes first because I want my tomatoes to be cooked, and one way I will find out that if it's cooked is when the meat or the skin is separating from the meat. I like it that way. The Chinese cook, when they cook, they want their stove to be real high. But if I do that, I burn the garlic. See, I can see that the skin is separating from the meat. And another way to know if the meat of the tomato is cooking, your oil is turning into yellow. Now the onions. There's a big difference between 275 and 375 of the setting of your stove. 100 degrees Fahrenheit has a big difference. The pre-boiled pork. Now the juice. I'm going to cover this. Now the fish sauce. Probably a tablespoon. Then the pepper. In cooking, it's better to use the peppercorn and then crush it. It tastes better. Few more minutes and both the green and the white will be cooked. This kind of pechay is not good if it's half cooked. It's better if it is cooked. This is now our sauteed tofu.